today we're going to be checking out this skate park toy. That's right, this is a full-fledged skate park that's got all kind of different tricks. It's a little fingerboard style. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, put it together, take a look at it, and see what all we get. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. And
wow,
look at all these pieces.
that's a lot.
The good thing I see about it is you don't have to put stickers on. It's already painted. So we're going to get all these skate obstacles that we're going to have to put together. But how many skateboards do we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 different skateboards.
With interchangeable parts inside.
That's right. Each skateboard not only has a wrench, but they also have different colored wheels and other accessories with them as well. So very, very cool. All right, we're going to start opening these up and putting them all together. And then we'll get the skate park set up and give you a closer look. Okay, so we got all the parts put together. We have a single ramp here with a rail and a platform. We have a dual ramp. We have this single ramp that has 2 levels. We have this ramp that has 2 levels and 2 ramps and a rail. We have this cool one that's got the little curved rail and the ramp and the platform. And then we got the staircase with the double rails. Very cool. You can see that they have the graffiti on the decks and on the sides. They're all decorated nicely. And you also, show them, Carter.
Also get a holder for all the different fingerboards you get to play with this set.
That's right, you get a full rack for all your skateboards. And look at all these different colored wheels and stuff that you get for each skateboard. And how many boards do we have total?
6.
We thought we only had 5. You actually get 6 skateboards all together. With this set, you can set them up individually. But if you notice, all these have these little ramps on them. So if you want to put a series together, you can actually pop that ramp off. And they have these little pieces in the accessory bags. It looks like a little plastic bow tie, kind of. And you just slide it in on the bottom. You set this one on top. And you can make different ramps, half pipes, and set your skate park up any way that you want to. How cool is that? What do you think, Carter?
It's really cool and interchangeable, how you can do all this stuff. And it's nice that you don't have to put all the different stickers on it.
That's right. Easy to put together, no stickers needed. So we're going to put together a little skate park real fast. Carter's going to try to do a little skating for us. So as you can see, it's a very cool little set. Comes with everything you need. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ramps, 6 different skateboards. Even if you have 6 kids that didn't like each other, they can each get a ramp and a board and play alone, or they can put it all together and they can all play together. Overall, a nice little toy, great for those fingerboarders in the house. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.